Urgent new warnings this evening about the Zika virus. Tonight, the head of the World Health Organization now sounding the alarm, saying it's, quote, spreading explosively. By one estimate, up to 4 million cases across North and South America in the next year.
In 2016, an outbreak of the Zika virus spread throughout South America, Southeast Asia, the Pacific Islands, and Africa. Zika, like malaria, dengue fever, yellow fever, chikungunya, and encephalitis, is spread by mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are actually more lethal to humans than any other animal on the planet. In response to the outbreak, the United States Department of State turned to GLOBE to develop a unique education project to help prevent the spread of Zika and other mosquito-borne diseases. Why did they choose GLOBE? Because the Global Learning and Observations to Benefit the Environment, or GLOBE program, is an international science and education program that connects students, teachers, and professional and citizen scientists from around the world in meaningful research about the environment. For the past 25 years, the GLOBE program has a valuable worldwide database of earth science measurements and an international network of schools and partnering organizations in more than 120 countries. GLOBE had the capacity to develop the project and to get results. Beginning in May 2018, the Zika Education and Prevention Project provided training to teachers, public health officials, citizen scientists, and students in 30 countries. Trainees have learned how to collect mosquito larvae samples, identify the types of mosquitoes that will develop from the larvae, map their location using the Mosquito Habitat Mapper app, and enter this data in the GLOBE database.
Mosquitoes are found in many parts of Kenya. As you can see, this place is swampy and marshy, which is an ideal place for breeding of mosquitoes.
Our activities consist on finding mosquitoes larvae, and we will identify them later.
And we use Globe Observer app Mosquito Habitat Mapper to take a photo of a place and to send data information to Globe.
Participants find standing water and pour into a collection container. Then they search for mosquito larvae. They use the Mosquito Habitat Mapper app to record the location, identify the type of larvae, snap a photo, and send the information to GLOBE. Not forgetting to empty the standing water when done.
We have learned that water containers are probably the important breeding site of mosquito larvae. We went to a study site to raise some awareness to local people to stop mosquito-borne disease at the source.
I'm going to take a sample of the water, skim off the surface just to see if we can catch some mosquito larvae.
I did it for my family health. Clear.
Students also use the data in their own research about vector-borne diseases and have the opportunity to present their research at GLOBE's annual International Virtual Science Symposium. Scientists too study mosquitoes. At NASA, scientists use satellites to observe and keep records of conditions on Earth to learn how these conditions, changing over time, are affecting the distribution of mosquitoes and consequently mosquito-borne diseases.
This project is demonstrating that you can actually invest in the capacity of populations locally in different locations to gather very useful information. You know, sometimes diseases happen in a particular location and everybody is surprised that this disease is happening here. Looking at this kind of data can basically give us some intelligence or background information on what is going on in particular locations.
Public health officials are benefiting from the results of the Zika Education and Prevention Project. They use the data to determine if there will be an outbreak of Zika or other such disease based on the larvae count and the projected survival rates of mosquito larvae. The GLOBE Zika Education and Prevention Project has now built self-sustaining regional networks in Africa, Latin America and the Caribbean, and Asia and the Pacific. Mosquitoes may be the world's most dangerous animal, but monitoring efforts can bring early warning of potential disease outbreaks. As a result, students, teachers, and citizen scientists can help public health officials and professional scientists make important decisions about how to control the spread of Zika virus and other mosquito-borne diseases.